Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the hospital. Here's what happened. I'm at the hospital right now because of a woodworking incident that happened yesterday. I'm not going to show you it because it's gross and just as a good reminder to respect your tools. First of all, though, before I tell you the story, check out this hospital room. Dude, I got a bathroom? Oh, I got a shower? Why? This is 3 times bigger than my bedroom. All right, let me tell you what happened. So yesterday, we were filming a video. It's going great, it was awesome. And then I decided I wanted to make a little router table for our hand router. I wanted to put keyhole slots in a shelf that I just made. So I started to make a router table with the jigsaw. Doing that trick where you tilt the jigsaw to get the jigsaw blade to go and then get into the wood. But that technique with going sideways trying to get in just wasn't working. And eventually, it ended up snapping the jigsaw blade off. So it snapped it off, and there was a tiny, tiny bit of the blade still left in the chuck of the jigsaw. So I figured, shoot, okay, now I gotta replace the blade. I opened up the lever of the chuck, the jigsaw, to try to shake out the little bit of blade in there. Well, what I didn't do was unplug the jigsaw. So, as I was doing that, I accidentally pulled the trigger and my thumb got caught in the reciprocating mechanism, and just immediately it took a big chunk of skin and I went, that's not great. This happened at 3:30 p.m. yesterday. It's 10 a.m. today. And then, the pain was pretty bad. I talked to a friend who's a physician's assistant, and she was like, you'll probably be fine, but you might want to go to the doctor's office just to see if you're gonna need stitches. I'm here now, I'm waiting. We'll see. Why am I making a video in the hospital? Obviously, it seems weird. We're all about authenticity on the channel, so when we screw up and hurt ourselves, it's something you should know about, because you gotta be safe when you're woodworking. I thought I was. I've never cut myself, I've never lost a finger, I've never done anything stupid in woodworking. Well, that's not true. I do stupid stuff all the time, but I've never done anything where you think like, yeah, he cut off his finger at the table saw. Didn't even think I could get injured. There was no blade. There's a tiny bit of blade in it, and that blade didn't even touch my finger. It was the top of the reciprocating part. Of course, it was my Festool jigsaw too, so it's super nice and high power, and it just chunked the finger off. So we'll see. Keep you updated. What do you think this is? Clean sack. Hey, can you go grab a clean sack for me? I hope it's clean. I've always wanted to do this, I'm sorry. I'm keeping it. Quick update. Doctor just came in, saw me, and she said because the reciprocating mechanism of the jigsaw is powerful, it could have actually caught my thumb and then broken it. So now we're going to do an x-ray. Don't need stitches. They're just going to dress it up and maybe glue it. But yeah, they're going to do a x-ray and see if it's broken. Okay, got the x-ray. Haven't heard the results back yet, but they bandaged me up, and yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, I'm out of the hospital. They bandaged me up. So they said it's probably not broken, probably definitely sprained, and they didn't need stitches or glue. They just cleaned it up real well, and then they put a bunch of bandages on it. So yeah, why did I make this video? Well, one, to keep you guys informed about what's going on with us and with me, and also just as a reminder. I mean, this is a reminder I wish I got yesterday before this happened. Tools are dangerous, and you have to respect the tools at all times. It was like I was doing the right thing. I was being careful, and then the blade broke, and I needed to get it out, and I didn't even think about it. I didn't unplug the jigsaw. I just thought, just go ahead, open it up, shake it, you'll get the blade out. And it was just, I wasn't thinking. At that one split moment, I wasn't thinking. I was thinking the whole rest of the day when we were filming a different video, when I was making the router table I was trying to make, like the whole time I was thinking, except for that one split second where I did something stupid. My brain just wasn't there. And that's when it happens. So thankfully, it's not that bad. It's gonna hurt for a while, and I'm not really gonna be able to use my thumb for a while, they said, but no serious damage was done. So, I mean, this is best case scenario, really, for this situation. So, thank God for that. But, yeah, I think this is an important message, and I'm so thankful I'm not coming to you saying this is an important message because I only have 9 fingers now. I've got 9.95 fingers now. Here is a photo of it. We're going to blur it because it's nasty. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking along, and be safe out there.